How to find draft posts on a Facebook page. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the Facebook application. After opening the application, if you go here, these three lines, you tap on them. From here, you select your page. For example, I'll select this page right here. I'll switch to it. As soon as I switch to it, let me tell you that on Facebook, there is no direct way to view the draft posts of a Facebook page here. So what do you need to do for this? You need to go to the Play Store, and after going to the Play Store, you have to install an application which is authentic and a real application called Meta Business Suite. You need to install this application on your mobile phone. After installing it, you have to open it and log in with your Facebook account credentials. As soon as you log into your Facebook account in this app, you will see an interface like this. From here, you can click and switch to any of your pages. For example, I'll just keep this page selected for now. After that, you need to scroll down and click on this option called Stories. From here, click on Post, then click on Published, and here you will see an option for Drafts. Click on it and all your draft posts will be available here. From here, you can view all the draft posts of your Facebook page. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon